Okay, YouTubers, license plate lights for a 2015 Camry. I've seen a couple of different ones on here YouTube. Some of them are really overly difficult. So, as I drop everything on the ground, pick it all up, here we go. You can see there's little tabs here on these. I'm just going to nice and gently pry out on these. I just did the right one to see if everything worked the way it's supposed to, and it did, so hopefully the left one's going to work just as easy. See lots of dust coming out from underneath there. Okay. And then what the hard part is, that they don't tell you, is that I use this nice little pickup tool, or prying tool. I put a little bent angle on it. And there's little tabs in here. I don't know if you can see these or not. I'm just going to reach in here, put this hook underneath the tab, and just gently pry out on it. Don't go underneath the gasket. And it's off. How about that? There's your bulb. This one's nicely toastedly burnt out. I'm gonna try to get my fat little fingers in there. That doesn't want to work. I'll lay this here. And it doesn't want to lay there. Just hold on one second. Just put both forefingers on the bulb, popped it right out, and it comes out nice and easy. There's no grease on this bulb right now, but when I put the new one in, there will be.